This is always my favorite thing about data security is it is so complex, and it's always a "it depends" answer. Can Sally access that data? It depends. It really depends, whereas, like, other security practices, it's a binary answer, yes or no. Can the system access this system? Yes or no. Data, it's, does Sally have a business reason? And what's she doing with the data? How long is she gonna be doing that with the data? Where is she gonna send it? And all of those depend, and it changes day over day. So you have to have a really good data ownership and accountability program set up on the front end to have people say, I'm an expert over this domain. I know who should be doing what with my data and where. And then we can say, hey, did you say Sally could do this with the data? Is it authorized? Does she have a good business case? Are we following, principle of least privilege? Is she only getting the bare minimum data she needs to execute her function? Does she do it once a month? Does she do it every day? Is it for a duration? I'm running this report for the regulators only for 6 months. So if it's 6 months and 5 days later, what is she doing in there? So it's really like sitting down with everybody, not just in security, but you have to understand the data owner's perspective. You have to sit with Sally and understand her process, what she's doing day to day with the information, and then any potential downstream consumers. Because what if Sally sends it to Joe? Joe has a business need. Then Fred said, oh, that's a cool report. I want to do it for something else. Well, now we've exceeded the initial intent of that data use. And maybe Fred doesn't actually need, or he's not allowed to see that data. So we have to understand like the end-to-end flow and create those boundaries and limitations to, I guess, do right by the data.